Hello, guys. I hope you're well. So, here we go. I've got another video for you guys, especially for the people who have who have booked their VFS appointment, but have not received their confirmation letter, and for those who have uploaded their documents using the self-upload services from the VFS, but they have not received the new confirmation email from VFS, which shows a list of document which you have already uploaded. So let's say if you have landed yourselves in this problem where you guys have booked an appointment or uploaded the documents but have failed to receive the confirmation emails. I'm going to show you exactly how you can tackle this problem and how you can fix the problem. Now, um, let's say if the methods which I tell you 99% of the time it works, yeah, but in just in case if it doesn't work, then the last option for you guys is to contact the VFS help team immediately and ask them to help you out. But hopefully you guys won't need this, as I have tried and tested this method myself. I've landed myself in this situation a few times, and um, luckily it has always worked for me. So let's just dig into the process and find out. Okay, first thing first, you sign in using your GWF reference and your email address. It's going to take you to the portal use and then log into the website. So, all right, so let's say we've logged into the website. Now, here on the website, you got this managed appointment section. So, what you need to do is click on the managed appointments. Once you are in the manage appointment section, you will see the list of options. For example, appointment details, applicant details, buy services, or self-upload. Yeah, the self-upload is gone from here. I'll tell you a reason why. So once you click on the appointment details, you see the bottom two options, and that's what you need. The first option is the recent confirmation letter, and the second one is print appointment letter. You can use either of these. The print appointment letter option, well, personally, when I was using it, it didn't work for me, but hopefully maybe for some of you people might work. So when you print an appointment letter, what it should supposed to do is print you the letter. In my case, it didn't work, but what worked for me all the time was to resend confirmation letter email. So when I used this option, clicked on it, I received the new confirmation email. So let's say, for example, if it was the initial stages where I booked the appointment but not received the confirmation email, I clicked on this and I got the confirmation email. Now later on, when I had this problem where I uploaded all the documents using the self-service upload section on the VFS portal, I did not get the confirmation email with the list of documents uploaded. So remember this: previously, VFS would not send you this confirmation letter after uploading the documents. It would not just send you a letter with the list of emails documented on it, but now with the list of documents, so with the list of items documented on it. But now what they do, whenever you use the self upload service, they always send you a confirmation letter, a new confirmation email with the list of items you have uploaded, the documents you have uploaded. So make sure you got this. Okay, so if you have not received it, that means there's a problem. So make sure you have got this. So yeah, if these two don't work for you options, then the last option for you is obviously contact the contact center and ask them to help you. Hopefully that will work for you. Okay, I would have shown you the list of uploaded documents, but I have already used the service. It's gone past those that 24 hours window, and obviously that option is disabled from here now, so I cannot use that service anymore. But for me, it's all good. Okay, so hope I have helped you guys, and I'm gonna come back to you with more informative videos about the VFS process and the visa application guidelines, etc. Okay, have a good day. Bye.